how to create action figure in Chatgpt. So the first thing that you want to do is open up chatgpt.com on your computer. After that, if you're using a phone, then download the Chatgpt app. Over here, type the prompt provided in the video. Then make sure to customize it with your name, profession, and desired accessories like pen, computer, or coffee cup. After that, press the plus sign and upload your photo from the computer. Then click send to generate your action figure image. Over here, you can click on the result and press save to download the image. Then repeat the same steps to try out different styles like Barbie, hyper realistic, or claymation. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.